Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to update your limits on the Capitec Bank app. First, unlock your phone and open the Capitec app. Make sure you are on the home screen before you continue. Once you are signed in, look at the bottom menu and tap on Cards. This will take you to a list of all your cards. If you have more than one card, select the card you want to update. This could be your debit card or credit card. After selecting your card, you will see two options. One is Update Permanent Limits, and the other is Set Temporary Limits. Permanent limits stay the same until you change them again. Temporary limits last for a short time, usually 3 days. Tap the option you want. Next, you will see the different types of transactions. These include cash withdrawals, card machine purchases, and online or scan to pay. Choose the type of transaction you want to change the limit for. Now, enter the new limit amount for that transaction type. Make sure you type the correct numbers. After entering the new amount, tap the Set button. The app will then ask you to confirm the changes. To confirm, enter your remote PIN or use your fingerprint if you are using biometrics. Once confirmed, the app will show a message that your limits have been updated. Thanks for watching.